we've been researching and testing popular products available today to bring you this best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
I'm here to show you how to assemble your workout trampoline. Step 1, attach the frame. There are 3 pieces, you put them together. Put the leg side up for the assembly process. Step 2, lay out your mat in the middle. Put the word side down. You want the underneath side up top where it goes towards the legs. Step 3, we're going to attach the bungees to the frame. You can see how there's a hook here. Your bungee goes right inside. You're going to want the metal on the bottom because that could scratch you if you're not careful. So you put your loop in like this, and you go under, and then you go over like this, and attach to your frame. So we're going to do around the 6 legs first, and one on this side, and then balance it by doing one on the other side. When you're done, this is what it should look like. Everything should be well balanced. The mat should be centered. Remember, our connection pieces are on the bottom side, and then these metal pieces aren't touching the clip. The legs fell. Screw on.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.